Stop feeding every PDF into the invoice model. It's slow and burns money. Build a classifier that routes each document to one pre-built model. This is for engineers building document pipelines on Azure. Azure AI Document Intelligence charges about $10 per thousand invoice pages. Classification runs near $3 per thousand. Route first, pay less. 3 things ahead. First, pick the right classifier. Second, wire routing to pre-built models. Third, the gotcha with multi-document PDFs. That last one silently corrupts results. Stay for it. 3 ways to classify. Keyword regex is cheap but breaks on scans. A large language model is flexible but adds latency and cost. The custom classification model wins for structured document types. It needs just 5 samples per class and returns confidence. My rule of thumb: start with the custom classifier. Here's the wiring. PDFs land in Blob Storage. A trigger fires an Azure function. The function calls the classifier and reads the document type. Then it invokes the matching pre-built model. Extracted fields land in Cosmos DB. Building the classifier takes labeled samples in Blob. Group each type into its own folder, minimum 5 documents. Then call begin classify document with your model ID. You get a document type and a confidence per document. Now map each type to a pre-built model. Invoice goes to pre-built invoice. Receipt goes to pre-built receipt. A tax form routes to pre-built tax.us.w2. Unknown types fall back to pre-built layout for raw extraction. Keep this map in config, not code. Here's the gotcha I promised. One PDF can hold several documents. A single classify call returns spans per document. Use those spans to split before extraction. Also set a confidence floor near 0.8. Below it, send to human review, not a guess. Recap. Classify first to cut cost and latency. The custom classifier beats regex on messy scans. Split multi-document PDFs by span, not by luck. Pricing shifts, so check the current Azure docs. Subscribe if this saved you a debugging afternoon. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.